phone. All right. I'm sorry. I had a really good videotape about the options. We're out here at 15 pennies. Okay. We've been talking about the bid and ask and what our system is about. And I lost the last tape. I'm sorry. Boy. Anyway, it's Friday. It's expiration. Date's 5/21/2010. And basically, these are the options that were bought in video one. You have to go fetch those videos from this morning with the live entries. They went up to 490. We got bids out at 15 pennies. But if I break below and I don't bounce hard, I'm going to pull my order. I gave this bid at 15 pennies an hour ago. And basically, we're starting to come down, and we're going to see during the expiration if we can get hit there at 15 pennies. And then the stock and the NASDAQ is in and out, and we're weakening up here. So we got to make sure we don't go into negative territory. That's right here. We just went into negative territory in the Dow. And that means that this move is going to be weak. And we are short, and they slid the bid. That option contract, we got a bid at 15 pennies now. And we're going to see here with that bid, what we're going to focus on is we're going to focus on this chart. And if this stock continues to close much lower in this, this is where the stop market orders are going to get taken out, because it slid below the SMF pivot line. And basically what's nice about this one here is that short was a nice short where it started to slide to the left of the market right here. And you make money when it goes in that direction, and that's what we teach you to do. Now, we're going to watch that chart, and we're going to watch the bid and the ask on the contracts is what we're going to do. We're going to watch the bid and the ask, and we're out at 15 pennies, and he's trying to pop this stock on a reversal bar. Right here's the bid, right here's the ask. And we can see what they did. So basically, let's see what the buyers and the sellers do, because in order for this 240 call that expires in an hour and 4 minutes, is that this stock is going to have to break back out above all of these minute period moving averages, and it's going to have to make a market, and they're going to have to walk. That ask gets over here, and they walk and they pop it, and then we get a breakout. So we're watching. A lot of contracts are being traded on the calls. They expire. May contracts will be expired. Here's a volume on there if you'd like to see it. It's 57,000 contracts traded on the day. And there's another one that I'm going to have Brian Plain buy on a stock called Sienna. You hear me? C-I-E-N. And those call contracts, we want to buy some call contracts. I'm going to show these before the closing bell. Sienna. And we're going to buy some contracts. Anyway, we are 57 by 66, 58 by 63. We're 15 penny bid. We got a 239.43 print. Last print, now he's printing 30.43, but he's printing between 5 and 6 pennies on the bid and the ask. And anyways, you can see the amount of contracts that are being traded here in the level 2. So basically, I've got traders that are long off of that bottom because they did what they were supposed to do. And that means that that price action is being made right here. He's back up here. Price action starts to come in down here at the lower end of the bid. And we'll see if this price action holds in here. If that price action doesn't hold like it should, then we would have to come out with the stop market order. But hey, they're getting the bid back above here. This is where the earlier market was. Lower bid, and now we need to see higher ask. That's this side of the market right here. The ask goes way up here. We got to get above that area. here's that option. It's 55 pennies by 62. We're out at 15 pennies. And there's an hour left. What you'll have to do if you see this video, if you want to come to the conclusion, you'll have to go fetch the video after this one. And after you fetch it, then you'll be able to see what the results were.